Jesus. Ugh. Weather sucks. And by that I mean it's a little cold and slightly windy, so it's not sunny New Mexico, and I hate it. So we need a line on this thing. I mean, I guess in all actuality we didn't need to go all the way outside. We could have just done this here with this guy. Ah, butts. Don't tell anybody I talk like that. I have a reputation to uphold. This is a family programming show. I have a feeling that if there's anybody semi-serious left watching, you're gonna hate this. Before I do this though, it's worth saying that this method is the same thing that I used to make this. And I know it works because it worked on this. And this is even more tricksy than what I'm trying to do here. I also did this exact same thing on the pink bike, and it worked. So if you got a better idea, I don't care. This was, of course, just a proof of concept. This was a 1 3/4, 3-into-1 merged header collector for a supercharged flathead Model A. So, yeah, I had to, on the header collector, I had to figure out a way to pair that pipe into, well, it was three sections, right? Make each tube into 3 pieces and then cut across them with every other one with a sawzall down it was a bastard. Those are pretty cool. I might have some pictures of those kicking around somewhere. If I do, I'll throw them up somewhere because those were just neat to look at. What'd you do? Oh, you probably you put it on the wrong way, stupid. I'm yammering at you guys. Putting my stuff on the wrong way. Okay, so now I feel fairly confident that piece of paper is pretty tight around there, pretty close to being the outside diameter. So, if we take that guy, so I folded that in half. That's just some marker on the paper you're seeing there. But I got my corners about as close as I can feasibly get them. Made a nice sharp crease down the middle. Oh, this is the most redneck shit. But if you take that guy now and fold him down right to that edge. Give him a fold back the ultra way. Are you still there? Can you see? You guys with me? Ah! You guys been drinking? You're falling over on your face a lot. So, you'll cast your mind. Now, I've lost, how did I lose that entire 38mm tube? There it is. If you'll cast your mind, I lost the tape. Huh. What a fucking predicament. There it is. So now, if you'll eventually, we'll get to it, if you'll cast your mind, and we put this with either one of these red lines, you can pick which one you guys want. You want the big one in the middle or you want the one on the side? I like the big one too. I think it makes more sense. It's easier to line up. Line them up there. Man, if it wasn't the string that did it, I swear, it's going to be this fucking piece of paper. And the idea that we're trying to do here is I'm obviously not working within, you know, tolerances of 1/10 of a thousandth. If you haven't noticed, I'm not a fucking machinist. And we're not running a precision operation here. So, this, along with everything else from the start to the finish of this project, is going to be good enough for who it's for. Because now, in theory, if this would, fuck, it's not quite straight, and that's going to drive me bananas. Cool, so now in theory, for any point on your tube, for any point in your tubing, like this one here, we now have the point. We have a point that we know to be 180 degrees opposite that we can verify if we could ever find our radial square. We can verify, but that also means that for any point on this particular tube, I got a spot that is exactly halfway around that radius, right? So I have a piece now that's 90 degrees off here. I don't know, I think that's pretty fucking cool for a stupid guy with 11 thumbs. I think that works out pretty nice. Let's see if it works out first before I start sucking my own you-know-whatever. I was gonna say consciousness. I'd like to offer another big shout out to another longtime sponsor of the Idiot Box, is Inconsistent Lighting. Inconsistent Lighting. Enter coupon code fuck up my project for at least 11% off Inconsistent Lighting. Alright, what we got going on here? I think this is right, because if we sort of extrapolate ourselves to like thusly in our head tube and our down tube, that looks like that's sort of the junction they want to be at, yeah? One of these. Like if this were this way, it would be upside down. But this looks like it's the right kind of thing that it wants to do. So I'm gonna whip a measure on it real quick and see what's what. Hold up. At the moment, inconsistent lighting aside, the Walgreens, what's that thing? Protractor seems to verify that this is right. It looks as square in and out of the deal as I think I can feasibly make it. This, to be honest, scares the absolute shit out of me. I tried to line it up as straight with this one red line that we made, but I mean, honestly, there ain't nothing left now but to do it. So...
You mean you'll work on engines and machinery and not think of your own personal safety? Here, shake hands with danger.
Shake hands with danger. Need a guy who ought to know. I used to laugh at safety. Now they call me Three-Finger Joe.
What do you guys think? I know you love it when I cry, so I have faith in us. I haven't managed to kill us yet. Of course, the day is young. Shall we? Now, if this goes poorly, nice working with you, Dr. Bankman. And we'll see you on the other side, Ray. Jesus, that's kind of wobbly, huh? You think it's supposed to be doing that? Probably fine, right? Jesus. Filled with confidence. Filled with confidence. That's how I am. That's how I feel right now.
Shake hands with danger.
Oh, we'll be back to the noise in a second. Fine-tooth hole saw from Andrew over at Bike Fab Supply. Good shit. Okay. I actually am sort of surprised that hasn't happened until now. Fuck, this fucking thing needs to get worked on by someone that's not me. Oh, what a pain in the cock. And let's kick the belt off it. Jesus, dude. We're doing for episode 3. Where the fuck is the drill press? It's buried in the yard. Take 2. Wait, nobody kill anybody. Wait, what just happened? Okay, didn't... Ooh, yeah, put a little... Fuck it? Yeah, fuck it. Alright, so I'm tightening up quite that much. Or put some rubber on there or some shit. I mean, really, though, for who it's for. If you were waiting for the point at which all of the capital F frame builders throw their TV remotes or slam their keyboards down and fucking turn my shit off and never turn it back on again. If you're waiting for that point, here we are. You know you're out there because I can hear you leaving. Yeah, string. Okay, so look, check it out. Seriously, no shit. What I'm trying to do, just the right way? Nope. Is this the way I do it? I don't know, probably. We draw a little, put a little Nazi there. Not like that. A little string right there. Run that down. You can see where it runs right down the center of that down tube. Pretty good. And I am fairly happy with our amount of clearance up under that. Actually, I might want to pick that up a tiny bit more. Let's pick that up a tiny bit more and see what it looks like. Oh, shit. That was right in your face. You okay? Did that hurt? It looked like it hurt. It sounded like it hurt from up here. Okay, so if that's sort of in that neighborhood there, that gives me, I like the look of that better. Yeah. So what we're trying to do is we are trying to figure out that angle right there. If you hadn't left yet, you should be on your fucking way now. I gotta put you down for a second, hang on. $73? I don't know. I swear to God, this is exactly how I did the pink bike. I know you're going. There's no fucking way that you measured that stupid thing with a protractor from Walgreens, but oh yeah, I did. I warned you. I warned all of you. I have no idea what I'm doing. I really did. If that goes, I mean, like, use the ichrometer. It's cool, right? Like, you're good. It gives us a place to start anyway. Listen, you're not my fucking supervisor, and this ain't your bike anyway, so get off me.
Shake hands with danger and friends I used to know. Compared to them, I'm lucky to be just Three-Finger Joe.